Hey guys, it's Miriam with lots of toys. Have you subscribed?
Right, you go ahead.
46 South Road.
One call, retone that, please. 10 foot. Have the floor to go to that location. This is 19, is that correct?
This is a 50-piece emergency vehicle set. And take a look at how many pieces are in here. Oh my goodness.
Helicopter! Even creative explosive.
Yeah, watch out. How many fire trucks are there?
1, 2, 3.
Wow, take a look.
Launch your vehicle to the rescue. Deploy your helicopter. Make your boat. And have fun. Maybe that's how they tow it.
We figured out a new way to tow this. It's with
Actually, that's how you're supposed to tow. See? Both wheels have to touch the ground.
cool.
The fire truck. That's so weird. You cannot tow any of these. Let's
You
fold
should be
this
able to.
ladder in. Booyah, get ready. Put things inside of here.
You should. There's those people.
I'm gonna put a fire truck there. You can't put the police car. See, you can put the police car.
Nice.
These motors go like this. They're supposed to go like this.
Open up.
line up so that if it's like this and a fire truck is coming there, the engine, so that it won't fall on the truck. See, look.
Ah, that's
It'll
not
fall on the
good.
truck. That's why it has to land on the edge like this. Wee 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 wee. Wee 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 wee. Wee 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 wee. Look what this truck has done.
It's caused chaos.